I'm scared, Sarah. We're at a new park and I'm scared. Hey guys, it's me, Danny J. You may be like, who the heck is that guy and that guy? I mean, last video, Sarah was still pregnant. Well, this is my little boy, Casey. I didn't do any videos after Casey was born. He is just about, how old are you? About 10 months old. So we still have a lot of footage of the old videos I need to edit yet, so those are still gonna be coming. But Casey, we had your very first outdoor adventure to Edgewater Park in Beaver Dam. How did you feel about that? I'm not sure what that means, but Sarah, do you know what he means by that?
It was fun.
So what was your favorite part? So what did we do? We climbed up that lookout tower. How'd you feel about the lookout tower? That's scary. Was it scary?
He doesn't want to talk about it. Papa wouldn't like that you're up here.
No.
Too tall for a baby.
Too tall. What do you think, Izzy?
It's good.
Pretty cool, huh? Look at these scary steps, though. Very scary.
That was pretty cool.
We also walked on some grassy trails. Are you enjoying your adventure?
Oh, Casey.
And I saw you actually got out of your stroller and sat on the grass for a while. That was pretty crazy. How'd you feel about that? Was it weird to be Was it weird to crawl on uneven ground? You're not used to off-road! You're not used to off-road! Was that the first time for that? Yeah?
Be careful.
Casey, know your limitations!
Don't go off the trail.
Time to go to the lake, Mr. Casey boy. And Izzy boy.
I'm not a boy.
Find a dandelion.
Some people actually eat dandelions.
It's craziness. Would you eat dandelions? No. Do you remember that floaty, weird triangle tooth-looking thing floating in the water? Yeah? What'd you think of that? See that weird little cone-looking thing? What is that? It's a dinosaur tooth. It's attached to the bottom. Is it a natural thing or is it a piece of litter? It spins. Casey, what is it? What was that? Was that just litter or was it, oh man, there's a kitty over there. There's a big dead fish over here.
Ew.
Ew.
So
Yuck! Ground is squishy.
Hey, Casey.
What do you think of the lake? There was a lake. There were people fishing. Casey, what do you think of the lake? What do you think of the lake? Casey. Was the lake boring? I liked the lake. What do you think about the park, Izzy? It's amazing.
The water is pretty. Everything's pretty.
I thought it was cool that there's a lake and a meadow.
So Casey, it was really great to have you on our adventure. We're gonna be doing more adventures with the whole fam, Casey included now. Yeah, we haven't been doing a lot of videos. We've just been chilling, right? Casey hanging out, and now we feel like you're old enough to go on some adventures. So, yeah, he's ready. Rock and roll. So, Casey, tell the people that they should comment on the video. Tell them to make sure and subscribe. Can you tell them to make sure and subscribe and hit the dingy bell. The dingy bell, make sure you get a notification every time we post a new adventure, right, bud? Yeah. Ow. Yep. Rock and roll, guys. All right. See you next time, friends. Okay, Casey, you have anything you want to say quick before they go? No.